Kamusta Dalis and welcome back. And for today's video, we are going to make our Sonny Angel some cute clothes. He's the new addition to my collection, but seeing him naked all the time makes me wanna dress him up. So first thing we need are the materials, and my pattern which is available on my new Etsy shop. As you can see, I made 3 basic outfits for him. So we'll start with tracing the 2 patterns onto a fabric. My patterns don't have an allowance on them, so make sure to add one before cutting the fabric. Sew all the edges, including the armhole, and the neckline. Fold, and connect the sides. Add Velcro at the back. And our first outfit is complete. Now for the underwear, hem all the edges, not forgetting to snip the curved sides. As Sonny Angel is more of a figurine than an actual doll, making him clothes is a bit tricky, because you really couldn't move his body to fit the clothes. And given his small size, I highly suggest using a thin fabric that doesn't fray much for his clothes. Now for the last outfit, which is the jumper, cut 2 shorts pattern and hem the bottom edges. Align the 2 shorts together, right sides in, and sew the 2 sides. Place the stitches at the center and sew the bottom edges close. Flip them over and set it aside to work on the front panel of the jumper. Hem all its 3 sides . And finally, connect them to the shorts we made earlier. Now for the straps. Take out the string from a used disposable mask and cut it to 1.25 inches. Stitch the ends to the 2 corners of the front panel and our cute jumper is finished. You can even see his little wings at the back. And that is it for this video. I hope you like all the outfits. And if you made it here in this part of the video, consider giving this a like and comment what you think I should make next. Until next time, paalam!